Hello, YouTube. Is me again, the Digital Magicians. Yeah, I actually wanted to talk a little bit today about a more perfect you. Wanted to talk about this while y'all watch me sketch a little bit, so it won't be a boring video. Just have something to look at here. And of course, this is a drawing channel. Part of that is just talking about art in general as well and how to develop that art. This one is more about being a more perfect you. I definitely wanted to talk about this because I had to do some soul searching, especially in my career going off, and I actually moved into several different careers, some in the technology field, and most of all, I actually just enjoy drawing in general. I mean, I'm not the best artist, but we all have different styles and specific styles that we draw in, and me, I actually enjoy looking at a lot of Japanese animations, and I took on a lot of like my style from some of the Japanese animations, and also I had a year of like graffiti art as well, some of the more urban looking characters. Most of that kind of merged into my style until I actually really found a passion in a lot of the 3D designs. The root of everything is pretty much still just drawing in general. Going back into just saying a more perfect version of yourself is just practicing and doing a lot of these things kind of daily. One thing about art is this is one thing you really have to enjoy doing, because yeah, you do need to do a lot of it. And depending on the mediums, it's probably if the medium that you're using, you actually want to draw that medium frequently. Conveniently, what worked for me was using an iPad. I actually tried to start drawing on a Wacom Cintiq just for the hand-eye coordination, but found that, I can't really travel with a Cintiq and only was left to draw mostly when I was actually in my office. That actually kind of led to some kind of barriers in drawing every day, or like kind of had to build up the energy just to go down to my office just to draw. I actually wanted to get into some of the challenges of becoming a more perfect person at your trade or whatever you're trying to do. This one, of course, is drawing, is distractions. One thing I actually did notice in trying to study how to become more perfect at something is, even in success, like even with money, anything like that, I noticed people who was actually very successful, like especially in like real estate and stuff like that, or even like other things, some of them had military backgrounds, and one thing that was in common with stuff like that was discipline. And I know that like just to actually be committed and perfect at something, you actually have to have a discipline, kind of set up regimens where this becomes normal to you, like just drawing in general. Like if sometimes you just want to set aside at least an hour a day just to do it, and so that becomes like a practice, like ritual. You just know you have to do it. And pretty much almost anybody can train themselves to be good at art. It is a talent, but the talent is not like something that just happens overnight. It's something that takes practice. Like somebody was drawing when they was a kid, probably by the time they get to an adult, is going to be a master, like in their own right, at something like this. Of course, it does involve a lot of study as well, like with like drawing books, just to understand human anatomy as well. Also, something you could also do, like whenever you draw, is definitely show your work. I mean, we're in the world of social media, and definitely like displaying your work on social media. I know there's some trollers out there who's actually always going to say something negative. You got to kind of put that to the side. I know we're definitely in a world right now where everybody's opinionated, and definitely a lot of negativity out there.
And if we can't all agree at the bare minimum that a giant comet the size of Mount Everest hurtling its way towards planet Earth is not a fucking good thing, what the hell happened to us?
Yeah, I didn't want to harp on too long. I just wanted to kind of drop something here. Probably already did harp on too long, but I just wanted to drop a little video here. Kind of some point is, I mean, just in my road now, something I actually wanted to venture off into, trying to be a lot better at this art thing. But also, one thing I noticed is study the world around you. Study pretty much almost everything kind of influences your art. A lot of books. I mean, you got people, I mean, even like myself, I mean, even other not just hours, other YouTube videos out there that actually offers influence to your art, movies, everything like, I mean, you'll start looking at everything differently. Yeah, remember, every day is a new opportunity. I'm out of here. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe. And remember to hit that notification bell to see more of these. Thanks again for watching.